In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mods to enhance AI character in PolyBuzz Plauch Quick Guide. We'll walk through getting to the right place in PolyBuzz and then use the background section as a powerful mod to shape how your character thinks, speaks, and makes decisions. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press enter. Click the official PolyBuzz website in the results. A quick heads up before we dive in. On the web version, you won't see a menu literally labeled mod. Instead, mods live inside the character management panel, which is where we'll make our changes. Once the site loads, click Create Character. If you already have characters, that's great. This still takes you to the same area where your roster appears. Locate the character you want to enhance, then open its card or tile so you can edit it. Next, open the character editor by clicking Edit Character or the pencil icon. Some mod features are available only to pro users, so in this guide we'll focus on the background section. Don't underestimate it. A well-structured background is one of the most reliable ways to mod behavior without extra tools. Write your background using 4 key components. First, origin, where they come from. Briefly cover their place of birth, family situation, and early influences. Keep it vivid but concise. For example, she grew up in a coastal town where storms shaped her fearlessness. Concrete details like that show the model how to behave under pressure. Second, key life events, what shaped them. Mention a few high-impact moments, traumas, achievements, or turning points. For instance, he lost his mentor at 16, which pushed him to master forbidden magic. 2 or 3 strong events are better than a long list with little impact. Third, personality development, why they act the way they do. Explicitly link traits to experiences so the AI can justify its choices. For example, because she spent years negotiating peace between clans, she always stays calm during conflict. This cause and effect framing leads to consistent responses. Fourth, motivations and goals, what drives them. Give your character a mission, a dream, and a purpose tied to their past. For example, he seeks to protect anyone who feels powerless because he once felt powerless himself. Aim for stakes the character cares about, both short-term and long-term. When you're satisfied, click Save. Before you move on, skim your background for clarity, consistent tense, and any contradictions. With these 4 components in place, you've effectively used mods through character management to strengthen voice, decisions, and reliability. That's it. Your PolyBuzz character is now enhanced and ready to perform.